As a manufacturer, Glasfloss has really been pleased with choosing Idea Exchange as a partner. We feel that they are a true partner to us. When we started searching for an EDI solution, it was very difficult for us because we didn't have any idea what EDI was. Going through the process with Idea, they handheld us all the way through the process, at the same time teaching us the specifics of EDI and how it worked. And we felt that partnership has bloomed over the years. At the beginning, it was every step we had to take together was a lot of questions from us and a lot of understanding. And now we're able to run and we'll be able to look at other customers that we want to bring over to EDI and give them specific reasons and specific statistics to show why, hey, if you process your orders with us at EDI, we can save you money and save us money and have a fruitful business relationship.